Oh my god, dude. That almost killed me, dude.
All right, we're over here at Gately Audio on a fine Wednesday afternoon. The sky is blue and the bass is heavy. Let's go see what we got over here. Tell the guys are in there hard at work. Their shot sounds like mine right now. Tools buzzing. But this Tahoe's getting ready to go home today. It's my last chance to hear it before it goes. All right, we got the Stereotype. 315Ks.
Yes, sir.
And a, what is this?
It's the G8 4000D. It's a 500 by 8 channel.
SMD blocks. Oh, and I can see some of the laser work.
Oh, yeah. You got all those parts for us?
Yes, sir.
We've actually done this same amp rack assembly twice now. We were able to use the same design twice.
That's badass. Sick as hell. Of course, we got the, SMD blocks. Custom cement gray over blue. Wiring for days.
All the sky high. Always.
Sky high for the win. All right, so real quick, I brought Brandon over here. Let him leave work early to come with me and listen to this thing. What is in this thing?
So it's got 6 Gately Audio Relentless Neo 18s. We're wired at 0.35 ohms on 3 Gately Audio 15Ks. We're charging at 16.6 volts.
15.6. Does this have a Victron step down?
It's one Victron and a small battery, and that just runs
the car,
the head unit,
the head unit,
and the JL DSP.
Sick.
But otherwise, everything else is
the
actually.
JL DSP doesn't like to be at 16.5.
No, it's good up to like 15.6.
Yeah, that's how you do it, though. That's how you do it. Yeah.
Same with the Pioneer head unit. It got mad at us past 16.
What is in these A-pillars?
These are 4 Gately Audio G3 mids and 4 Gately Audio GTW tweeters, silk tones. And they're good for ultra high pressure. And then in the doors, there's 4 of our Gately G8 mids. Okay. These door panels were already existing on the build. I don't hate them, but we didn't build them.
Okay.
We had to, help secure them a little more solid than they were originally mounted. And we didn't bother connecting those tweeters because when we did, they sounded like shit.
Oh, okay.
But it works out pretty good.
Okay, so what are you doing to secure the windshield? What is going on with the windshield? Anything special?
Man, these older Suburbans are super strong. So the roof is super reinforced, right? We got 2 layers of wood. They added a little bit of steel to this area up here, and then the firewall is reinforced a bit as well. Okay. But otherwise, as long as the windshield's not real hot, which it's a little warm, but I think we're gonna be okay. These ones are pretty hard to break the windshield on.
So if you're nice and secure right there where I'm aiming, and it's not moving,
and the firewall, you're probably pretty good. But like, I'm a little bit nervous for this windshield when I give this thing all the business.
Well, if it goes, it goes.
But it's not likely to. I don't think it's hot enough for us to pop a windshield.
Okay. Well, Brandon, have you heard about this vehicle before I brought you here today, or no?
Never.
Your first time even hearing about it?
I haven't even seen it, dude.
You see the fancy speakers?
I see them.
Yeah. Are you ready or what?
Oh yeah, always.
All right, let's go. Let's get a demo. I haven't heard it yet either, but I guess I'll let you go first.
I'll make you disappear.
What you know about that, Brando?
Bruh.
Your face is so red right
Oh
now.
my god, dude. That almost killed me, dude.
It's not that bad.
Those are high notes are ridiculous.
Oh, yeah, that
dude.
higher
It's
note
the high
hurts a
shit
lot.
kills me,
Yeah, the
dude.
higher
Oh, the
note
lows is just fucking.
That fucking shit ain't playing. Oh, have fun with that.
What you know about that, man?
I don't know about it.
Hey,
I had a demo like that in a minute, dude.
it's all because of that laser cut amp rack. SMD and Gately Audio built.
Oh, look at dude.
Oh, my bad.
Some fucking hairbrushes.
Hey,
Yeah, you want one?
I did get to do some laser cutting on that badass rack. So
That's great.
I put my 2 cents in a little bit. Look at your hair's all knotted up. Hey, he's gonna need that Gately brush.
That's crazy. It really is knotted, dude.
Ooh, there's one on the ground right there. Hey, so much for that brake-proof windshield.
Well,
think
I
I
knew
got
it
glass
was
in my eye.
possible, but it's probably kind of hot now. Yeah, see how hot
You
it
knew
is?
it could go, but
I should have put an easy up over it, but oh well.
I'm surprised it took.
You break, you buy.
Yeah. Hey. Stereotype for the win. That thing's got to be no 64. Maybe a 65. Maybe a 66. I'm not even playing around. This thing ain't playing. We're out of here.